Hello children, welcome back in the second video related to word problems on quadratic equations. In first video we solved the problems based on numbers. Now we have problems based on area of different figures. Area and perimeters of different figures. Let's see here one question. A rectangle of area 105 centimeter square has its length x centimeter. Write down its breadth in terms of x. Given that its perimeter is 44 centimeter. Write down an equation in x and solve it to find its dimensions. Dimensions means length and breadth we have to find. So let's see how we solve. We know that here given area equal to 105 centimeter square, and we know that area is equal to length into breadth. We know that area of rectangle equal to, we know that area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangle, that is given 105 centimeter square, is equal to length given x, and we have to find its breadth. So you see, breadth equal to 105 upon x. This we have got first part, breadth in terms of x. Now given that its perimeter is 44 centimeter, we know that its perimeter of rectangle, that is twice of length plus breadth. Then perimeter given 44 is equal to twice of length, that is x, breadth, that is 105 upon x. So 44 upon 2, this 2 comes down this side, x square plus 105 upon x, taken here x LCM, and we got x square plus 105 upon x. Here we get 22, cross multiplied, 22x equal to x square plus 105. This 22x we will send that side. So we get 0 equal to x square minus 22x plus 105. Write the equation properly. X square minus 22x plus 105 is equal to 0. Now we will factorize this equation and we will get the value of x. That value of x will be length, say x square minus 22x plus 105. 105 factors of 105. 105 for factors we will do. That is divided by 3, 35, again 5, 7 and 7. We have got 3, 5 and 7. We will adjust them to get minus 22. So 3 5 are 15 and 7 22. Minus 15 minus 7. We get here minus 15 and minus 7. So x square minus 15x minus 7x and plus 105 plus 105 is equal to 0. Now take common here x minus 15 minus 7 common, x minus 15 equal to 0, x minus 15 and x minus 7 equal to 0. So here we are getting x equal to 15. So here we are getting x minus 15 equal to 0 that is x equal to 15, and x minus 7 equal to 0, x equal to 7. So we can say the longer one can be said as a length, and so let length equal to 15 centimeter and breadth equal to, that is 105 upon x means 15 equal to 7 centimeter. So we have got here length and breadth both. The same way we have another question. Let's see. Another question. A rectangular garden 10 meter by 16 meter is to be surrounded rectangular garden 10 meter by 16 meter is to be surrounded by a concrete path of uniform width. By a concrete path of uniform width. The area of path is 120 square meter. The area of path is 120 square meter, and the width of path is x, and the width of path is x meter. Width of path is x meter. Width of path is x meter. Form an equation in x. Form an equation in x and solve to find the value of x, So let's see let's solve it. How we will solve this equation? You see, first it was given length and breadth 16 centimeter, 10 meter by 16. You can see this is a garden whose sides are 16 and 10 meter. Then breadth of path all around is x. So external length will be 16 plus 2x and external breadth will be 10 plus 2x. So now area of path, where is the path? Path is this part. The area of this part will be external area minus internal area. So area of path is equal to external area minus internal area. So let's see, external area of path 120, external area given 16 plus 2x into 10 plus 2x minus 10 into 16. So solve it. This remains 120 just now. 16, 10 is 160 plus 32x plus 20x plus 4x square minus 160. This 160 and 160 cancels. So we get 4x square plus 52x and minus 120 is equal to 0. It is divisible by 4, that is x square plus 13x minus 30 is equal to 0. So now we will factorize this equation to get the value of x. So x square plus factors of 30, 15 to the 30 and 15 plus 15 minus 2. X square plus 15x minus 2x minus 30 is equal to 0. X common, x plus 15 minus 2 common, x plus 15 is equal to 0. X plus 15 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 15 equal to 0, x equal to minus 15 and x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. So here we can see x, one value of x we are getting minus 15, other value we are getting 2. Minus 15, that is distance, breadth, that is distance cannot be negative. So x equal to minus 15, this we can say impossible, or I am leaving. So the width of path that is equal to 2 meter. X equal to 2 will be our required answer. Now let's see one more question. Right, sides of a right angle triangle are, the sides of a right angle triangle are, the sides of a right angle triangle are, right angle triangle are, sides of a right angle triangle are 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, comma 2x and 2x plus 1. Find x and hence find the area of triangle. Find x and hence find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle. So here it is a right angle triangle. What relation can be done here? Yes, we can see right angle triangle is always like this. So this one is the largest side, that is called hypotenuse. Which one you can see largest in this? This is 2x, this is 2x minus 1, this is 2x plus 1. This seems largest. So hypotenuse will be 2x plus 1. These can be taken anyone, 2x minus 1 and 2x. Now we can apply here Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. As we know, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So 2x plus 1 whole square equal to 2x minus 1 whole square and plus 2x square. We will solve it more to get the equation. Let's see. So a plus b whole square, 4x square plus 1 plus 4x is equal to 4x square plus 1 minus 4x and plus 4x square. Here we can see this 4x square and 4x square cancel. Then 4x square, 1 and 1 also cancel. 4x square minus 4x is equal to 0. So we get 4x square minus 8x equal to 0. We have to simple factorize. Here what we can do? For x common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now simply we can say each part 0, applying 0 product rule. 4x equal to 0 and x equal to 0, and possible x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x equal to 2. We have got the value of x, that is 2 centimeter. Then sides of triangle R. Sides of triangle R. First thing is 2x minus 1, that is 2 into 2 minus 1, 3. 2x equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4, and 2x plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1 equal to 5. These centimeter we have got the triangle, sides of triangle. Now we have to find area of triangle. We know that area of triangle, this is right angle triangle, area equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 base, larger side, that is hypotenuse, remaining are one is base, another one is hypotenuse. So one is base and one is perpendicular, that is 3 into 4, 2 to the 4, equal to 6 centimeter square. This is our answer. Now let's see one more question.